Hello and welcome to my channel. I wanted to take a little time as a shorts creator to point out something that I hadn't noticed before and most likely you haven't noticed before. If you look on your dashboard, you can't actually see that the shorts might be turned off, and so what you want to do is you want to go into the Content tab and you will see in the column that there is that monetization tab, and it will indicate whether something is on or off. In this case, my shorts are off because they were published before February 1st. And so a simple way to fix this from the Content tab is to go ahead and click that drop down, select on, and then you want to go ahead and review these terms. It's things like whether you have violence in the video, language, that kind of a thing. If you don't, then go ahead and click that you don't have any of that kind of controversial stuff within your short, and then click submit. Another way that you can do this, and in this case I went to my dashboard and I went to one of my viral videos that is from June. So I went ahead and I clicked on the video, and then I clicked on the monetization tab from the analytics. And from there, I'm able to go ahead and switch it to on, and then I can go through and make the same selection that it is not a controversial video. Then I go ahead and submit. So if you do this, this should be able to fix your monetization so that you can get the monetization on the shorts that you have published before February 1st. I hope this has been helpful, and for more tips, be sure to tune in, because I am a newly monetized creator in shorts and I plan on covering more on that topic in the future. Thanks for watching.